Kanayi's AI Lab. Today, I'm introducing a smart AI tool that can turn food photos into cooking instructions. Meet ChefGPT by chefgpt.com. Simple recipes, enjoy simplicity, cook smart. ChefGPT is an AI-powered cooking assistant built on ChatGPT. It helps you identify food, understand the type of cuisine, and generate clear, step-by-step recipes in simple language. Now let's try this in real time. I'm uploading the first food image. This is a South Indian-style biryani. I'll ask ChefGPT, what type of food is this, and can you help me with the preparation method? At this point, I'll pause for about 5 to 10 seconds, letting the AI analyze the image and generate the response. Now let's look at the output. ChefGPT correctly identifies this as a South Indian biryani, explains the regional style, and clearly lists the ingredients and cooking steps. The preparation method is well structured, practical, and easy to follow, especially useful for home cooking. Let's try one more example. I'm uploading the second image, which is pasta. This time I'm asking help to prepare this item. Again, I'll pause for about 5 to 10 seconds to get the output. Once again, ChefGPT analyzes the image, identifies the dish type, and explains the preparation process step by step, including sauce base, cooking method, and heat control. What I really like about the output is its clarity and simplicity. The instructions are not overwhelming, and the steps are explained in a way that even beginners can confidently try the recipe. ChefGPT turns food photos into simple, doable recipes within seconds. With a few additional features like diet-based recommendations, spice level control, shopping list generation, and time-based recipe suggestions, this app can truly become a personal AI chef in your kitchen. If you enjoy seeing how AI can simplify everyday life, including cooking, make sure to follow Kanayi's AI Lab for more AI-powered tools and real-life demos. Thanks for watching.